Get out my food.
Hey,
So hard to get the blue one. It's the best.
here we go.
Clean up the pond.
Okay, everybody listen. Okay, Aisel. Aisel changed his order to a chocolate sprinkle.
Oh, good.
Figured that out.
There you go.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Okay, who's next? Who's next
Beckham.
youngest? Beckham. Blue sprinkles.
Oh.
Oz has a jelly filled.
Jelly filled. Blah, blah, blah.
Will Boy got the seaweed covered donut.
No, I did not. I got
Lemon.
lemon.
Otherwise,
James E. Boy had Bavarian cream.
Oh.
The fingers, you can see
Okay,
them.
Lisa,
Oh.
Lisa Nader.
That looks good.
Lemon. You want to switch for what?
Uh-oh, it's got a little touch of
You got a little extra jelly.
Lindsay,
What kind?
lemon, Michael,
Put those two chairs together so you three can sit on them. And you can sit on both. There you go.
All right, on your mark, get set,
Eat.
eat.
Eat. It's like bake.
All right,
Pada, what kind did you get?
white cream filled.
What do you all say to Grandpa?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I am White cream.
White cream.
Oh. I found that but my mom did. So drink your eyes and eat your nose.
All the other grandchildren have finished their donuts and left Aisel by himself. Here we are, it's the day before Thanksgiving. We're going on the Lakeshore Loop Trail in Lake Norman State Park. Let's go.
Let's go. Yep.
It's basically a black hole underwater.
Look how pretty the water is. Wow.
It went far.
Yeah. They're just such high jumps.
Point out that way. Here we go.
Lap, lap.
That was
good. Yeah,
That was late though.
Wait, can we do some counting? This is worth 9. This is worth 3. This is worth 1. This is worth 1. And then these two are worth 1.
So what's the count?
I'm up 12 points out of.
How are you?
50. These are my goals. And then. Wait, James, you want to play?
I like what?
Soccer.
Okay, it's moving to you, though. Well, if it's not okay, let's move it to shorter. Yeah. That's. You want to swing? I think. At all.
Are you all? My brother used to play soccer.
Okay, to me. Okay, Grandpa has it.
Kick it. No, wrong goal.
Me.
Whoa.
Whoopsie.
Okay, let's see this on the camera. You ready? It's November 27th, 2003. We have polar plungers.
Quincy. Lindsay.
Lacey. Oh yeah, you should get it. Yeah, it's so warm.
Remember, you have everything you need inside.
Oh,
You're doing great. You're doing great. Imagine you've got a sunshine inside of you. Big sun.
Anyone that wants to swim to the dock, I'll give an ice cream sandwich to.
what? Dad! Ice cream sandwich? Okay. No. Ready? 3. Nope. Hey, go. Can I jump? Okay. Yeah? 3.
Then you should jump out to them when
2.
you dunk.
No! That's harder for me to swim.
Do whatever you want.
I'm gonna do it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm done.
Come on out.
The water is when it hits your waist. Don't tell me that.
You want me to dunk with you?
Fine. If it's over here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Yay!
Did I do that?
You guys are incredible.
Where did you get the stool?
He got it from the side of the fridge. Can you get out?
Did he carry it up?
Yep.
This is the harder one.
You did it! Do it again. He's a pro now. The first time he put his leg over, he's like, it's too scary, I'm not gonna do it. But then he did it.
Good thing this is the last night we were staying here.
Yay!
Aisel, did you carry the stool from downstairs up here?
Yeah.